always been our North Star, shining bright and clear. Little echoes of the music God whispers in her ear. She's been humbled through it all, and grace keeps leading her right. She's an old soul who walks by faith, not just by sight. She's still standing, still singing, reaching for the sky, still trying, flying every time we wander by. Legacies of melody, Lord, let me be clear. Christ-centered, love-anchored, a musical air. There's a warmth like Christmas lights that never fade away. She's in Meet Me in St. Louis, performing on the stage. Somewhere in the distance, our memories set free, singing Merry Little Christmas, looking back at me. She's steady, and her faith keeps teaching her to rise. Every broken moment still belongs in God's design. She's still standing, still singing, reaching for the sky, still trying, flying every time we wander by. Legacies of melody, Lord, let me be clear. Christ-centered, love-anchored, a musical air. And when her children ask her who she wants them to be, she'll say, brave, kind, faithful, and free. There's stories from your start, the way you serve your neighbor shows the kindness in your heart. From school halls where you're helping every child feel known, to the church pews where your quiet faith keeps pointing home. She's still standing, still singing, reaching for the sky, still trying, flying every time we wander by. Legacies and melody, Lord, let me be clear. Christ-centered, love-anchored, a musical air. Through your service, through your heartache, through your laughter and the tears, through the stories you help write, for the ones you hold so dear. Your love becomes the anthem that your children feel and hear. Oh Lord, that their mother is still